Hey guys, welcome to this AirTag guide, and here I'll detail how to close AirTag battery. So if you open your Apple AirTag battery in a bid to change the battery, whether you remove the old Apple AirTag battery and then replace with a new battery, now it's time to close it. Then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to close AirTag battery, all you need to do is go ahead and get the AirTag battery cover. Then once you get it, note that the AirTag has 3 different clips, and then there are 3 holes on the AirTag itself. So go ahead and place the battery cover on the AirTag itself, making sure it fits into the holes like this. Now to close the AirTag battery, you need to turn the AirTag battery cover clockwise. So press and hold it down and then turn it clockwise to key in the battery tag, and once it keys into the battery hose like this, then the battery cover will be clipped. If we try to open it, you just need to press and hold it and turn it anti-clockwise like this. Then close. Go ahead and then press and hold it and then turn it clockwise. And once it keys, then the battery cover will be closed. So that is basically how to close AirTag battery cover. So if you found this informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.